The smart sensor sensitivity settings can be changed to suit the installation environment. These settings are accessed by pressing the normal hours automatic control icon on the room configuration page and then pressing the advanced button. By default, the sensors use both PIR and passive acoustic technologies. The PIR technology can both trigger the sensor occupied and keep the sensor occupied if motion is detected, while the passive acoustics will only keep the sensor occupied if sound is detected. The PIR initial sensitivity is the sensitivity value of the sensor when the space is unoccupied. As soon as the sensor detects occupancy, the sensitivity goes to 100%. This value can be adjusted up if the sensor is not picking up motion when entering a space, and can be adjusted down if the sensors are picking up motion while walking by the space. This is accomplished by pressing the initial sensitivity percentage and entering in a new value. The passive acoustics technology can be disabled by sliding the acoustics enable slider, or the sensitivity can be adjusted by pressing the acoustic sensitivity box and entering in a new value. If you find that the space is not turning off when nobody is in the room, the acoustic sensitivity should be lowered. Press Done to save the configuration.